Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to enter prank mode on your speaker Creative Muvo Play. So basically you have two options. The first one is when your speaker is turned off or when it turns on. So the first one, just press and hold power button to turn on your speaker and it enters to prank mode automatically. So we can see the speaker on the device list, it means that it's entered to prank mode. And the second one is when it turns on, just press and hold play pause button until you can hear that it entered to pairing mode.
Pairing mode, waiting for device to connect.
And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!